Hello everyone, I'm Haley from Green Venture, and welcome to the wonderful world of energy auditing. This video will introduce you to Green Venture's Home Energy Auditing program and why we think home energy efficiency is important. Green Venture has been conducting energy audits for over 20 years, and we know that energy audits help fight climate change and bring meaningful change to our community. We can help you through the entire energy auditing process by providing you with a registered energy advisor and then applying for the rebates that can get you up to $5,000 back from your home energy upgrade. Most building emissions come from the use of natural gas from space and water heating. So what can we do to reduce our building's emissions? A great start is to make our buildings more efficient, saving you money on heating and cooling costs, making your place less drafty, and raising your home value. It might be difficult for you to determine how to make your home more energy efficient, but a home energy audit can help. So what is an energy audit? A home energy audit consists of three components. A home visit to start with to determine all the energy usage in your home and all the systems that may be using energy. And then based on that, we recommend upgrades or renovations. Number two, you can do some of those recommended upgrades or renovations. And then number three, we come back to determine all of the energy conservation measures that have taken place and all the applicable rebates we can apply for on your behalf. Next, meet our registered energy advisor, who will give you some more details about what happens when you get a home energy audit done.
Hello, I'm Jordan Fish. I'm a registered energy auditor for Green Venture, and we're here today to talk about energy audits of your house. We have here a blower door. It is the most exciting part of an energy audit. The energy audit will look at your whole house for energy efficiency, starting from the basement, all of the mechanicals, so your heating system, water heating, air conditioning, looking at insulation from the basement all the way to the attic. With the blower door, we're able to do air changes per hour and make sure the house is safe, and we can actually figure out an aggregate size of hole, if we added up all the tiny holes and penetrations in your house, how big that hole might be. So if we were to do an air pressure test of this house, I run the fan up to pressurize the house. So we would pressurize the house, take a reading, and then we reduce the pressure at even intervals and keep taking readings to figure out the air changes per hour in the house and the equivalent leakage area. After we do the air pressure test, I would turn the fan on and walk around the house with the homeowner and find where the leaks are coming in all around the house. Many people wonder what the benefit of having an energy audit would be. People that are having energy audits, for the most part, come to us because there's a rebate available for making their house more energy efficient. There are rebates right now for heating system, water heating, insulation in the basement, the main walls, the attic, doors and windows, and then draft proofing. Other reasons people might come to us for an energy audit: if they have just purchased a home and they want to learn more about their house. The energy audit is a fantastic tool to know where your house uses energy, where it loses energy, and what you can do to make your house more comfortable, more energy efficient, and cheaper to run. The last people that might get an energy audit is somebody considering buying a house, and you can make it a condition of sale.
Hi, I'm Mark. I'm a teacher in Hamilton, and pretty excited to take part in the Eco Energy program through Green Venture. Taking part in many of these programs for a bunch of reasons. Obviously, saving money is one of them. Energy saving it's kind of silly to throw money out the window. So that's one thing. The other thing is just reducing our consumption of natural gas and fossil fuels is really important to me. Yeah, and so this is a boiler that we have in our house, a central boiler. Basically, it uses natural gas to heat the water and both heat our house and heat the domestic water supply. So it's an on-demand machine, so it only kind of comes on and starts heating the water when we need it, and when it's off, obviously it doesn't. So we had a unit in here before, and the Eco Energy audit allowed us to upgrade. It was 15 years old and it was starting to need a lot of repairs. So we were able to move it from an 85% efficient machine to a 95. So it seems like a small amount, but 10%, every little step in the right direction are things that we need to do. To get the energy grant, we had to do two different actions. The one we did was this one, and we also had a window installed to increase the efficiency from the builder grade window to a more high efficiency window. So those two improvements allowed us to collect a nice amount of money to help us pay for and offset the cost of the boiler. So yeah, we really appreciate these programs when they come along, because we have to replace these appliances anyways, and why not do things like Energy Star rated and improve your efficiency? Save the money, save the environment as well. So one of the parts of the program is that when you get a Green Venture inspector to come to your house, they will do an Energuide audit, and it gives your house a rating. So you can kind of see the numbers that are on there. Before you do any improvements, they'll come and give your house a rating, and then after you do the improvements. And as long as you move up the category far enough, you will get a better rating, and then you'll get some money depending on how well you do. So even if you have an older home, actually this program is really ideally suited for older homes. Even if you have leaky windows and you really have not a lot of insulation, that's where you get your most bang for your buck in terms of money back. Insulation is really cheap compared to heating, so the payback is really, really fast. So I would encourage you to do it.
So now you've met our registered energy advisor Jordan and the homeowner Mark. We hope that this has given you some insight onto home energy audits. If you'd like more information or to book an energy audit, you can find more information on the link down below.